This conference will now be recorded.
So, do you have any doubts or queries, team, you have regarding the discussions which we had? We will wait for one more minute. Yes, please tell me. Any doubts or queries you have, team? What about Riaz, sir? Yes, tell me.
Sir,
Yes.
so, uh, sir, when goods receipt is blocked, sir, when so then what can I do?
When goods receipt is blocked, what is the meaning of the blocking?
So the when the particular the goods is whatever we have ordered, so the goods is received the uh, low amount of the goods. So then the goods receipt is going to block, sir.
No, when did you observe this? Goods receipt is never going to be blocked, right?
Yes, this question is raised by one of my friends. Sir.
Means whenever you do a goods receipt till today we have used the movement type as 101, right? So 101 was the message type which we were able to use it, the movement type, not message type. But sometimes I don't want to use 101 directly. Instead I will put 103. Then from 103 to I will be doing 105 to receive the goods into the unrestricted stock. This is one of the case. Normally, we have used 101 movement type, right? Let me go to the system. Like mostly we do a goods receipt, right? Goods receipt by using 101 movement type. What is 101? 101 or 101? It is receiving the materials into a warehouse against a purchase order. Again, it is into a unrestricted use, right? Unrestricted, unrestricted or unrestricted or into a quality inspection, right? Quality inspection, right? So unrestricted stock type and quality inspection stock type. When you do a goods receipt against 101, the stock will be directly updated under unrestricted, or sometimes it is into a quality inspection. So I don't want to do this. I wanted to do this is a one step movement type, right? This is a one step. Sometimes normally if you go to the warehouses, what will happen normally? If you go to the warehouse normally, let me show it to you. Like if you go to a warehouse normally, what will happen? The stock will be unloaded from the container or the truck, and it will be downloaded from the truck, and it will be kept some amount of time in one of the place for temporarily. Let us say I received a truck over here, right? I received the truck. The truck. I will be unloading the materials and keeping in, sorry team, keeping in goods receiving area or goods receiving zone. So in this particular place, I will be keeping 2 or 3 days. 2 to 3 days I will keep the material. Why I am keeping here? Because I have to do opening of the material from the boxes. Let us say I received the material in the box. I wanted to open the material from the boxes. It will take some 2 hours, 3 hours to me. Once I have opened all the boxes, I will be calling the quality inspection team and they will do a random or sample quality analysis, and based upon their quality analysis they will accept the materials or the reject the materials. That process is taking in this place, right? So this is a temporary area where I will be storing the materials for 2 to 3 days. Yes sir. Yes, give me one team. Give me one team, 1 minute team. Yes sir, tell me. ఉంటాను, ఏమైంది? ఉంటాను ఇప్పుడు. మీకు ఏది, మీరు ఎప్పటి వరకు ఉంటారు? ఆహా. మీకు ఏం కావాలి? ఒకసారి సైకిల్ చూద్దామనా? చూపిస్తాను నేను. ఈ క్లాస్ అవుద్ది 9:30, 10 అట్లా అవుద్ది. 10 తర్వాత చూపిస్తాను. 10 ఫ్రీ అవుతారు. మీకు 11 కా? కాదు, నేను ఏం చేస్తా, okay team. So I will be keeping this material some 2 days or 3 days, right? So what I am doing, I am moving the material from truck to this particular temporary storage area. So this I will be capturing by using 103 movement type, keeping the material into the goods receiving blocked area. Means I am not using that material. I will not use that particular material till I do a quality inspection, etc. That means I am keeping that material in the blocked area. That material will not be used for further processing or any of the production related activities. Why? Because that material is still under quality inspection. So once quality inspection is done, what I will be doing, I will be moving the material from this place to the relevant storage area or unrestricted use. I will keep some time over here, sometime I will over here, sometime over here. So how you will move the blocked material from blocked storage to a final storage? By using 105 movement type. So 101 you are dividing into two things. One is 103 and 105, right? So here I did it via one step. It will directly go to the unrestricted use. From truck you have downloaded from the truck, it will be directly kept under unrestricted use. I don't want to do this. I will do this 103 first. 103 means keeping the material under a GR blocked category. So GR blocked status. Once my quality and everything is cleared, I will be moving from GR blocked to unrestricted use. So GR blocked to unrestricted use. Or GR blocked to unrestricted use, or if something got rejected, I will be moving to rejected, like that, right? So this is a 105 movement type I am doing. So this is a single step, right? So within single step, the material will be moved under unrestricted. But here you are doing two steps. First you are keeping under GR block, then moving to the GR block to unrestricted use. So that is what. Like if I go to the SAP application, you can see same thing. Like if I go to the SAP, let me log in into the S4 user one and India at the rate 1234 MIZO, right? So if I go to the logistics, materials management, inventory management, goods movement, MIZO. So goods receipt against a purchase order. So normally we did 101, right? 101 means goods received for purchase order into a warehouse or a stores department under unrestricted category. 103 goods received for purchase order into a GR blocked category first. From the GR blocked category to release GR blocked stock from warehouse and keep it under unrestricted use. So that is 105. So 103 and 105. So this is called as a two-step. Like if I create one purchase order, let me show you the difference between 101 and 103 and 105. Let me create one purchase order. You will get some clarity. So 1710 and NB. Let me take any one of the existing one. Right, let me try to take this one. We will do 101, 103 and let me create this purchase order without reference to the existing purchase orders. Copy and select and save it. So we have 10 quantity for this purchase order ME23N, right? Okay, let me copy. So we have one purchase order for 10 quantity, right? What I will do, I will do 101 for 5 quantity. MIZO goods received against purchase order. I am trying to do 101, right? So before that, I will see the stocks of this material. So this is the material. I will go to the stock overview screen. You see this material under unrestricted use, we don't have any stock, right? Under quality inspection also, we don't have any stock. Nothing is there. Nowhere we have the stock, right? But this is on order stock means open order. This is one of the open purchase order which you have created, right? So this is a open purchase order which we created. This is not considered as a stock. Like I just created an order. So that is still open. We haven't received any materials. So we have these many open orders for these particular materials. Like if I click on it over here and go to the purchase orders. So these are the three purchase orders that are created for this particular material. So the total open orders are for 120 quantity. Somebody created for 100, 10, 10, total 120 quantity. Open orders are there, right? So I will try to process 101. Let me process 101 for 5 quantity under unrestricted use. So quantity I will change it to 5. Let me try to post. So now I will see the stock. You see 5 quantity I can directly see under unrestricted use. So now this became 115. Why? Because I have 120 open orders. I received 5. So my open quantity became 115 and stock got updated under MMBE for 5 quantity. Directly under unrestricted. I will do 103 and 105. What will happen? Let us see. For the same purchase order, for the quantity, remaining quantity 5, I will do 103. Means I am keeping the material under goods receipt into a blocked category stock. Let me try to. So GR blocked category stock. Let me try to post it. So I will go over here. Let us see. Something wrong. It is under unrestricted, but if you see the category, it is a GR blocked category. So this is a blocked stock. We cannot use it if you wanted to use it. This is available under unrestricted, but not you will not be in a position to utilize this one. Why? Because it is a restricted quantity. Normally, it should show. It should not show over here. It should show under blocked category. It should show over here. GR blocked stock. The 5 quantity for which I did the goods receipt, it should show over here. I am not sure why it went into a unrestricted use. I think did we made something wrong? GR into blocked stock. I think let me cancel this one. 131. Cancel and retry to do it. So I try to do 101. I am reversing it. I am doing a cancellation. Let me do the. Let me cross check the stocks over here. Okay, again it became 5. Right, let me now try to do 103 for the same PO. Goods receipt 103. Goods receipt for purchase order into GR blocked stock. GR blocked category, right? Let me go to the quantity. Quantity is 5. Okay, then Why earlier I was able to do, I think now it will work. Let us see. Let me try to check and post it. Now let me see. Okay, what mistake I did earlier, I am not sure. But now you can see the 5 quantity under a GR blocked category. That means this you received the material, but you kept under blocked area for some period of time, 2 to 3 days. Once your quality inspection, everything is done, and I decided that materials are good in condition, I will be moving from GR blocked stock to unrestricted stock. If any material is under GR blocked category, I cannot use that particular material for the production processes, or I cannot transfer this material for the consumption purpose within my warehouse, or I cannot transfer the materials to a customer sale order, etc. So that is the reason you need to move this material from the GR blocked category to unrestricted use once your quality inspection everything is completed. So how I will move? Let us say my quality department cleared the quality inspection, etc. Then I will use 105 movement type. 105 movement type. So the same purchase order. Now I am moving. Now I am moving from GR blocked category to unrestricted use. Let me try to move it. You see now I am able to, if I refresh it, you see now the quantity is 10 becoming over here, and here you can see the GR blocked stock also becoming 0. Why? Because your quality has cleared and you are able to move the 5 quantity from GR blocked category to your unrestricted use stock. So normally if you go to the companies, they will not use 101 movement type directly. Instead 103 movement type first, so that the stocks will be available under GR blocked category. Once quality inspection and everything is completed, the materials will be moving from GR blocked category to unrestricted stock once quality everything is cleared. So this is the meaning of the quality GR blocked category, etc. Are you able to follow? Is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
How can you tell difference between the GR blocked stock and blocked stock? Both are same, right? GR blocked and blocked are, those are different. Here I can see.
Sir,
No, no. So there is
excuse
a
me, sir.
message. Yes, tell me.
Sir, is this GL accounts are also updated in when the GR is blocked?
No, when you do a GR blocked, the GL will not update. But when you do GR blocked to unrestricted, the GLs will update. Right? Like I am just keeping the material
Okay,
in
sir.
the, let me show it to you. So you are just received the material and keeping under some blocked area. That means your materials are not cleared, right? So you will not have any financial postings when you do a 103 movement type. But when I do 105, there will be definitely the GL postings exactly same as 101. Let me show it to you. right? Like I created 103, right? Let me go to the header data, document info. You see, when I did 103 movement, I have no subsequent document found in accounting, no financial accounting. You are just receiving the material and keeping under blocked category. You are not doing any evaluation of the materials, nothing will be done. So there is no financial postings when you have a 103 movement type. But when you do a 105, 103 to 105, the same GL posting that are updating at 101 also will be happening at 105. Let me show it to you. So you need to do some R&D team. If somebody asked any question, you need to do the testing in the system. Then your queries will be answered. Everything will be answered for you. Like if I go to the 105, go to the financial documents. You see now I can see the accounting document. So your inventory of the raw material got to debit for 650 US dollars, and GRIR clearing account is credit for 650 US dollars. Same is the case with 101 as well. Like I did initially 101 for 5 quantity. You see here same, right? Inventory account got to debit for $650, and GRIR clearing account got credit for 650 US dollars. So everything will be answered on you. If you practice, you will come to know everything on your own, right? Okay, then GR blocked and blocked category. How can you tell difference between GR blocked stock and blocked stock? GR blocked and blocked both are same, I think. Let me show. Let me see. Do we have unrestricted use, quality inspection, reserved, received reservation, on order stock. These are all the different stock types, right? Consignment ordered, stock transfer, GR blocked stock. We have only one GR blocked stock. Then do we have blocked also? Oh, I think we have blocked also there. So GR blocked means you are trying to receive the material against a purchase order, and you are trying to keep that particular material under some location as a blocked stock. GR blocked. You received material, you are blocking those material for the further usage. Once quality inspection everything is done, you will be moving this material from the GR block goods to your unrestricted use, etc. But during the inspection, you have understood that 5 pieces got rejected. Those rejected materials I will be moving to blocked category. That is the meaning, right? Like I received 10 piece. I have a purchase order for 10 piece. Out of this 10 piece, 5 piece I kept under GR blocked. Temporarily I kept it over here. Why I kept? I wanted to do quality inspection, etc. So out of 5, once I do quality inspection, 3 got accepted, 2 got rejected because of some technical specifications not matching everything. Then these 3 pieces I will be moving into unrestricted. Why? Because these are good. These are rejected. So I will be permanently keeping them under blocked storage. Means these two pieces which got rejected, I cannot use. I will be keeping under blocked storage, or this can also be called as a rejected storage. All the rejected material or the damaged materials I will be keeping over here, so that I can return back these two pieces from the blocked category to directly to the vendor, stating that so and so materials got rejected from your end because of quality specifications are not matching. I can return back to you. So this is a temporary storage. During the quality inspection of the materials which you are keeping under temporary storage, if something got rejected, I will be transferring over here. If any material is there on the GR blocked, it is not evaluated, no financial postings. But if some material got available under blocked, that means there will be a financial accountings stating that this stock which I kept in this particular blocked area is relevant for the rejection, etc. So that is the difference. You have blocked, you have consignment stock in transfer, like that. There are many. You will come to know whenever what and all the different business scenarios, these stocks are getting updated accordingly. Is it clear or not? Is it clear? GR blocked and blocked difference.
Sir.
Okay, then how are free items managed in PO? Did you cross check that how the like in the PO there is whenever I am creating a PO, let me try to create, there is one checkbox. Let me, free items means you will not, you received a material on free of cost from somebody, right? Some sample sales, let us say I create, somebody has given a material on free of cost to me. So I will not be making any payment, etc. to that particular material, right? You see, there is a free of charge, right? Like if I am procuring a material by paying money, etc., I will have a price and everything, right? Like this PO is being raised to purchase a material shaft from the supplier. That means I have to pay 130 US dollars to him, right? He has given the shaft to me. I have to process the payment of $130 to him. But what if he is giving for me free of cost, right? So I will not pay any money. So now I can see money price over here. But what if I select free of charge? You see, if I select free of charge, my price will becoming 0. You see, no price. You cannot see conditions also over here. You see, no conditions tab came. It got disabled completely, right? So no pricing, nothing will be there. Why? Because it is a free of charge item. Let me try to save it. Since it is free of charge, I will not have financial documents as well. Let me go to the goods receipt. This is the one, or what is that? Oh, 105. Okay. Let me try to do 101. 113.83, right? Okay, let me try to do the goods receipt. It is a free of cost material, right? Let me try to do goods receipt. So now let me go to the display purchase order. I will go to the, you see, amount in local currency is 0. I will go to the info, document info, financial documents. Oh, finance document generated. Let me go over here. Free of cost material, right? Why I can see finance documents? Free of charge material, right? Free of charge materials. Gain in, you see, so the inventory got updated over here, right? The inventory account got updated, but it is not gain in production PRD. So there is a separate GL account. Like if I show it to you the previous PO, when I do a goods receipt, let us say, let me show it to the previous purchase order 82. If I go to the accounting document, financial accounts, accounting. Here you see my inventory got debited. At the same time, GRAR clearing accounts got credited. That means I have to process the payment of $650 to the supplier who supplied the material. So GRAR is nothing but you are eligible to make the payment to the supplier against this PO. But in case of free of goods, I can say inventory account. Anyhow, it got updated for 1300 US dollars, but there is no GRIR. Instead, it is gain in production. Means your inventory got, you have increased your inventory. At the same time, you are not going to process any payment to the supplier. If somebody asked how many materials you have in your warehouse, I will say I have 10 materials that are given by the supplier for me without making any payment by me. But your inventory got updated, inventory cost got updated, right? Why? Because you have 10 quantity received, your inventory cost got updated eventually. So your inventory 1300 US dollars got debited. At the same time, there is something in a gain in inventory is got credited for 1300 US dollars. But you are not going to process any payment to the supplier because there is no GRIR clearing account got triggered. If you wanted to process the payment, there should be a GRIR clearing account. Since it is a free of good, instead of GRIR clearing account, there is a gain production variance GL account got updated over. If I wanted to do a invoice verification for this PO, it will not allow me. Let me see. Free of good material, but inventory will not get, it will not allow me to do the invoice verification to process the payment. Let me see. If I go to my row, 3011, You see, I don't see any amount coming over here. The reason is no item found for purchase order, right? It is not allowing me to do the invoice verification. Why? Because it is a free of charge item. There is no GRIR clearing account available. But at the same time, if I put the previous PO, you see I can see $650 for the 5 quantity which I have received. I can do the invoice verification now. That is the way. If it is a free good, your system is not going to allow to process a payment to the supplier. If it is if not free of item, your system is allowing you to process the payment to the supplier as well. So that is the difference between the free of charge good and the regular one, right? Any other query, team?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hi. Sir, I just have a small doubt. So, the financial accounting configurations which we have done before, so is it necessary? So, when we do when we take up project every time, so we need to do like a checklist with the financial accounting, or do we need to do ourselves?
Now, can you repeat your query, sir?
No, when we until now we did financial accounting configuration and we started SAP MM, right? Like MM
Mm-hmm.
configurations.
Mm-hmm.
So like, is the financial accounting configurations are like mandatory? Like we need to do? Are there like our roles and responsibilities, or like they are like financial accounting consultant will take care, and we just have to check what is the connections here.
No, from MM side, we need to do some activities. From
Okay, okay.
finance side also, they will be doing. We will do our work.
Okay, so whatever like you taught in the last classes, so like those financial accounting configurations we have as an MM consultant we have to do, right?
Yeah, we have to do, but for you, we haven't done. We are going to do it soon,
Okay, no,
like
no, I'm
during our.
asking sir, like enterprise structure, and we did somewhat right. So I just wanted to like make a connection, like I just wanted to get clarified on my question, sir. That's it.
Yes, yes, we are going to do that. Like
Okay, so
we haven't started that for your batch. We are going to do that soon.
okay, sir.
Like
Sir,
if I go to this, mm,
okay, sir. No, no, please continue, sir. I have another doubt, sir.
we are going to do it this soon in our upcoming discussion. I think after 2 or 3 classes, we will do this. There is something
Okay,
known
sir.
as
Okay, sir.
account determination, right? Materials management,
Okay, sir.
valuation, and account
Account assessment.
assignment. Then account determination without wizard. Like
Okay,
we
sir.
have valuation control, group together valuation areas, valuation classes, movement types, purchase account
Okay,
management, configure
okay, okay.
automatic. This is the place where we will do. Yes, what is your next
Okay.
query?
So when I'm practicing in our previous classes, so like I'm just trying to like create the company code and everything. So 1810, the standard code is not visible in the SAP, sir.
Which server you are using?
Uh, the, the same one, sir. Like, 1 second, like 49.
I think the server which I am using, the same server was shared to you.
Yes, sir. The
Can you show? Can you share your
49206196.
screen and show me?
Yes, sir.
Will you? I was personally asking Rafi to give it to you, right?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
said he has given it to you. Yeah.
Yes, yes. I'll just show you, sir. So can you see the screen, sir?
Yes.
So this is the server we are using, sir.
No, no, no. I we have given you the S4, right? Did any
Yes,
server
sir.
allocated to you? Can you open that?
No, this is the only server I am using, sir.
This is the only server which you are in. Like you are the one, right, who were asking me to provide S4 HANA access continuously. I asked Rafi to share the S4 access to you. You are not the one. Who
No,
else
sir.
asked me? I
So,
think
sir, I asked.
one more Riyaj is there. It seems. I think uh, I think one more Riyaj Sheikh is there. He was asking me. I think.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but in your server, can you go to OX10?
Yes, sir. So like I'm here at the organizational object, sir. So when I go here, like for the
Hmm.
uh,
This is
this
ECC
company code
server.
thing.
This is ECC one which you are using. In this, you will not find the latest S4 HANA servers are having all those things. In ECC,
Okay, sir.
SAP provided only one company code, that is the 0001. So in
It says
ECC, SAP
OX10.
has, yeah, in ECC, SAP has given only one company code. It is not given any reference company code specific to every country. But in S4 HANA,
Okay.
you have that option. SAP has given multiple company codes, one company code for one country based upon the
Okay.
legal settings and everything they were done. In this server, you will not
Okay.
find.
So like then how should we create the company codes and everything in this server, so like ECC?
You take anything. Normally, I will took 3000. In this server, whenever I create a company code, I used to take 3000. Can you see 3000
Okay.
is there or not? It will work
Yes.
quite well.
Yes, sir. New York one. Best one. Your
Best
best.
run.
This.
So that will work very well. Entire setup is there for that company code in this server. If you
Okay,
are
sir.
using this, it will work quite well.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Like any other queries? Like somebody was asking, why can't the transaction event be seen in the financial document that you have opened? I faced this problem. Can anyone tell how you will be able to see the transaction event key? How can you see? Like I let me open one of the financial document. So this is the financial documenting. She wanted to see the transaction event key. Like what is the BSX is the transaction event key for the inventory, right? And for GRIR clearing account, WRX is the transaction event key. Also for this one. So how you will see the transaction event key? It is very simple. You need to change the layout, right? Like if I go to the change layout, choose layout, or I will go to the change layout. I will go to the change layout. So the present layout is displaying only company code, posting key, all those things. You are not showing these things, right? If you wanted to show additional columns also, you can show over here like transaction event key. If I select, like the transaction event key, these things also I wanted to add it. I will select and drag to the left. Now it will display for me, right? You see, these are the transaction event keys. Now I can see them as well. So I can see, right? For that free of charge also you can see, right? Free of charge is 83, right? For free of charge, what is the transaction event key? These many columns you are not displaying. If you wanted to display, you can display them as well. You see PRD, price difference account, BSX and price difference account in the free of charge, BSX and WRX in case of the material for which you wanted to process the payment. Here you can see. Here you can make the changes to the layout. So whatever may be the layout you wanted to see, you can make the information can be seen over here accordingly. So you can make changes or remove some columns, add some columns, all those things you can see on the change layout option over. Any other query, team? Ravi, did you join?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other queries you have?
No, sir.
Is it which Ravi? We have many Ravis. Raviranjana.
Yes, sir.
Is it Raviranjana or only Ravi?
Sir, Ravi Ranjan.
Raviranjan, okay. Difference between contract and scheduling agreement. Contract is what is the difference? The difference both are same, but in case of scheduling agreement, you will have the delivery schedules maintained, right? Like you created a contract, but in the contract, in case of the contract, you are not going to give any delivery schedules. But in case of scheduling agreement, you are going to give the schedules, right? Like I will quickly show it to you. What is a contract and what is the scheduling agreement? You will get a bit understanding. Like ME31K is the transaction for the schedule contract, right? Let me create one contract with reference to the same purchase order. Let us say this is the supplier. Then quantity contract is MK. Purchase organization 1710. Purchasing group is 0001. 1710 001. Plant is 171A is the storage location. So this is contract, right? I will enter the. So what is the material? Let us say this is the material. So what is the contract quantity? Let us say 1 lakh. Let us say price is some 10 rupees, etc. So I am able to create the contract. That's it. So against this particular contract, the supplier is trying to deliver 50,000 quantity. So today I created the contract and gave this to supplier. Supplier said, and my production department said we want 50,000 materials required for our production processes. Then what I will do? I will convert this contract into a order again. So I will go to the ME21N and what is my contract? What is my contract? This is the contract, right? So this is my contract. Huh? Sorry, this is not the contract. What is my contract I just created? ME33. So this is the contract, right? I can convert this contract into I have given the contract to one of the supplier. I can convert this contract into a 50,000 order, for example, right? Let us say 50,000. Okay, contract has a release strategy. It has release strategy. I think I need to release this. Let me go to the ME33K. It has release strategy. Okay. Not subject to release strategy. Then why it is asking for release? Okay, no problem. ME3021N, right? Contract not released, but there is no release strategy. ME35K. This contract has ME33K. There is no release strategy here. Okay, I think let me convert this contract into order. ME21N. It doesn't have any release strategy. Still, or I will manually put. Let me enter the contract. Contract. Release orders against contract is not possible. Contract not. I am not sure why the release strategy is coming, but this is the way. You created a contract. You can convert that contract into order like this. Same is the case with the scheduling agreement as well. Let me create one scheduling agreement. ME31L. Right. Scheduling agreement also just like your contract only, but in case of the scheduling agreement, you are going to give the schedules in advance, right? Let us say this is the scheduling agreement. So against this particular scheduling agreement, I am going to give the delivery schedules, right? What is delivery schedule? Where I will maintain the delivery schedule? I will maintain the delivery schedule under ME contracts, right? Let me go to the contracts, purchasing, outline agreement, scheduling agreement, maintain scheduling agreement, delivery schedule, right? This is the one, ME38. So delivery schedule is nothing but I have raised the contract scheduling agreement for 1 lakh. I am going to give in advance what and all the dates at which the supplier is going to deliver the material against this total quantity. If I double click on it, so let us say today I have raised the scheduling agreement for 1 lakh. I am giving the schedule to the supplier to deliver 15th December against this particular 1 lakh quantity a 25,000 numbers. On 31st 01 2025, let us say 50,000 numbers. On 31st 03 2025, remaining 25,000 numbers. This is the delivery schedule, right? Today I created one contract for 1 lakh. I am giving the schedules also when to deliver how much quantity against that particular contract is nothing but a delivery schedule. So this delivery schedule you are going to maintain against a scheduling agreement. But in case of contract, you will not have these delivery schedules. Instead, based upon your actual requirement of the materials in your company, you are going to convert that order into a you are going to convert that particular contract into a release order or purchase order. Again, you are sending that particular purchase order to the supplier. He will be sending back the materials against that particular purchase order which you have converted into from a contract. So that is the difference. Simple scheduling agreement and contract both are same, but in case of contract, no delivery schedules. In case of scheduling agreement, you will have a delivery schedule, right? Yeah. So Raviranjan, will you be available tomorrow at 11:30 or 11 to discuss about the transfers? Tomorrow I will be discussing the transfers with one of the student. I will include you in that. If you are fine, you can join in that. Raviranjan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, will you be able to join at 11:30?
11:30, sir. Actually, this is my office time.
Tomorrow Sunday, right?
Right. Actually, sir, in my company, the leave is on Wednesday.
Oh, Wednesday. Okay. So tomorrow, if you are able to join, then try to join. Otherwise, I will take it on Monday.
Okay.
Monday morning hours, I will tell you. Okay.
Okay.
But try to join, if possible, try to join tomorrow. I will ask you to join.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Tim. Thank you. Bye. So like this, you need to ask the question today. Lot of questions were asked by the team. So earlier, even though when I am asking, nobody was responding. Today it's good. Okay, Tim. Thank you. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.